Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, here to help you repurpose content that you've already created, a PDF, an article, even your website, into a lead generation quiz. I'm going to use just one ChatGPT prompt to create a quiz for one of our blog posts. Real quick, I want to call out why adding a quiz to your blog is so beneficial. Check out here at the end of the article. It concludes with, if you've been in business for a while, it might make sense to start gathering reviews and testimonials. But if you're new to business, you should look to improve your messaging. A quiz allows someone to answer a few quick questions about themselves and then give them a personalized result or answer to the question that they're looking for, like, what should you do to get more voice of customer? Without a quiz, your readers have to read the entire blog, analyze what they're learning, and then decide on their next step. That's not the best because, according to our CEO, Josh, the more you make your customers think about their next steps and what they're going to do, the longer they're going to take to actually make those next steps. Or they may not even do anything at all. Also, do you really read every little word in a blog post? I definitely do not. I jump to the sections that catch my attention and I skim through the article looking for things that matter to me most. If I came to this blog post looking for an answer on what I should do about my voice of customer and I saw this magical button I could click that would tell me exactly what I, Jackie, needs to do, I would absolutely click it as opposed to wanting to read an entire article. So let's go ahead and make that quiz and add it to this article. Ready for that one ChatGPT prompt? Here it is. I'm asking AI to read and identify the main theme of this blog post, and I simply added the link to the blog post that I'm wanting to create a quiz for. Then the rest of the prompt asks AI to determine which of the following types of quizzes would best fit the primary theme of my blog post. So you can see there's an assessment style quiz and it gives AI some information on what that means. There's also a personality style quiz, again, giving information to AI on what that means. And the third is a knowledge test. So over here in the assistant, you can see that the main theme of my article is understanding and implementing the voice of customer. True. And that the type of quiz that would best fit the theme of my article is an assessment style quiz. It even gives me the title of this quiz, How Customer Centric Are You? I get a couple of sample questions and then the outcomes of novice and intermediate. This sounds like a really great quiz for this blog. This blog already has a quiz, Want to Get to Know Your Voice of Customer Better. But this new quiz, How Customer Centric Are You, is a lot more engaging and enticing and encourages someone to take it because it's specific to you. It's not just a general statement of, hey, do you want to learn more about voice of customer? No, it's, hey, tell me about yourself, answer these quiz questions, and I'm going to then tell you what the next best steps are for you to either gather voice of customer or start implementing it if you already have it. Now that I know what type of quiz I want to make, I ask ChatGPT to add a third result, somebody who is top-notch, already implementing voice of customer in their business. And I also ask it to create a total of 5 questions instead of the 2 that it gave me above. So you can see here it spits out exactly that. I have questions 1 through 5 with answer scores, score ranges, and 3 different results that apply to these different scores. Next up, I ask ChatGPT to write an opt-in form for me, and here's the copy I can use for that. And lastly, I ask it to create a short description for the cover of my quiz, and again, here it is right here. When you make a quiz using Interact AI, your quiz will show up right in your Interact account. Now that it's here, I've added a cover photo, I've updated my branding, I've added a little bit of content to my quiz result page. Now, I'm being pretty strategic about this, and like I said in the beginning, we want to repurpose content, not make new content here. So I'm replacing this new quiz with the existing one, and I'm not changing out the rest of the funnel. Currently, when someone completes this quiz on the blog, they are sent this free guide. The emails for that are already set up in our HubSpot system, so I just want to reconfigure this new quiz to match that. So I've added some information that if they've subscribed through this new quiz, they will get a guide. I've added a call to action to create their own quiz using Interact AI. And now I want to set up lead generation. So you can see here, I've created the opt-in form. I've used the copy from a little bit of AI and from that existing quiz, and then I've customized my brand color here. Click Save and Continue. I'm already integrated with HubSpot, my email marketing platform. Now, I want to make sure that after someone subscribes through this Interact quiz, they're going to get the emails that are already set up through the quiz that's on the blog now. So I simply click Edit on the result, and I just want to add this person to a workflow of getting this email, which will deliver the free guide on Voice of Customer. I'll click Save and apply this to all of the results. Hit Save and Continue, and then I'm ready to publish my quiz. Once you publish your quiz, I'll simply just click on Embed Code, head over to the WordPress tab, and copy this shortcode. In WordPress, I'll simply replace this shortcode with the new quiz, hit Update. I can view the post and see that the new quiz is there. Somebody can take, answer, subscribe, and get their guide. That's it, my friends. That is how you can take existing content like a PDF, a blog post, an article, or even your entire website and use just one ChatGPT prompt to create a quiz. The funnest part for me was that you didn't even have to think about what type of quiz you needed to create, personality versus assessment versus a knowledge test. AI actually goes through the content and based on what it is that you're working with, recommends the best type of quiz for you. Awesome for our Interact customers because that is a question that we get asked all of the time. Which type of quiz should I make? I hope in this video that you also can see how you're able to optimize your quiz or content over time. Originally, we put a little quiz on, hey, just get this guide on there that collected some market research, but now it has been replaced with something actually fun and engaging for the people taking it so they can learn a little bit more about themselves, their business, and how they're able to implement Voice of Customer. If you're ready to turn a piece of content of yours into a quiz, then try out this one ChatGPT prompt. Or you can head over to ai.tryinteract.com and have a quiz built for you.